Hey there, it's Aurora with Supercharged Math. How are you guys doing? So parents, if you're around, can you come visit me for a second along with your kids if you can kind of hear me? I actually had something I wanted to share with you. Guess what? We're almost near the end of our year, and actually we are almost near the end of our sessions. You guys have been working so hard, so we're gonna start having math parties to review. Yay! So parents, if you need some ideas for prizes, so kids, you're not looking at me right now in case your parents wanna do this, go get a drink of water or something. Come on, go, 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 go. All right, so parents, if you'd like to see a couple of ideas that I had for prizes, if you like books or things like that with math, I have a few here I wanted to share with you. Kids, go get a snack or something. Okay, so this is one that my kids used. It's like tangrams, but they're magnetic so you don't lose them. And they have the little fold out thing here. So if your kids love puzzles, that might be one. My favorite book on secret codes and ciphers, I've shared this one before, Martin Gardner. He used to write for Scientific American for like 3 decades. This is another fun one, Path Puzzles. This is privately published, so if your kids like logic and things like that, this is a good one. The Sideways Arithmetic, Lewis, I don't know how to say his last name. Those are really fun. They actually have math puzzles in the story themselves. You can kind of see some of them there. And that's another one. Entertaining Experiments with Everyday Objects. This is one of my favorite books by Martin Gardner. This is super fun. It's thin. I bought mine for $3. So this is another one. And I know this is going to seem really boring, but my kids actually really like this. It's math dictionary, right? What kid likes that? Me. So it's very illustrative. It's got lots of pictures and things like that. So these are some ideas for prizes for math party. And just to give you something to kind of go with, there's always my book. We were just doing astronomy, so I had that out. And then I think, oh yeah, and then these two. These are the other 2 favorites I have, along with this one, How to Count Like a Martian. So if you, this is an older book, this is like an eBay thing. So if you have students that really like computers, and my kid asked me one time, how does a calculator know how to do its math? The answer is in here. So this is really fun. Like what would happen if we only had 2 fingers instead of 10? What would our math look like? And then these are classics, Go Figure and YPi by the same author. Super fun books. So if you guys like to do fun things like that. So yay! Okay, so that's what I have. We're at the top of the hour. Parents, you're good to go. All right, kids, welcome. Guess what? We have some math to do. Are you ready? Of course you're ready. You were born ready. All right, so what we're going to do today is we're just going to review. You actually know everything there is to know about fractions. Isn't that fun? So let's do our official start so we have a good start to this. You ready? Dun, 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 dun. Symbol crash. Hello, this is Aurora with Supercharged Math, and I want to welcome you to the final stages of fractions. Yay! Okay, what does that mean? That means, smarty pants, that you're going to get a pencil. Show me your pencil. Show me your paper. Put it down on the table, and you have 60 seconds to turn this one into a mixed number, turn this one into an improper fraction. Go, go, go. You only got 60 seconds, so don't take all day on this. Turn this one basically to look like that one to look like this. So this one should have a whole number and a fraction part. This part the top should be bigger than the bottom. So turn this into a mixed number, this one into an improper fraction. Go, go, go.
No pagues maleta en el aeropuerto y mejor usa estos 3 tips para empacar con solo un objeto personal. Primero, usa una mochila compresora. Esta es de Temu y ya.
To a mixed number, this one into an improper fraction. Go, go, go. Okay. Quick little review. And then when you've got it, you can show the screen or you can just type it in, whatever you would like to do. Go ahead and do that while we're waiting for you. Okay, you think you got it? 20 more seconds. If you only have time to do one, then that's what you're doing. Okay, you ready? All right, looks like most of you are done. Okay, here we go. So, should we do the easier one first? Of course. What is 4 times 5? 4 times 5 is 20, plus 3 is 23, and we keep the denominator the same. Give me a smile if you got that one. Yay! Why do we multiply here? It's because the whole number says there are 4 whole pizzas, and the 5 tells us that each pizza is divided into 5 parts. I did not do a good job with 5 parts there. Okay, and then this one says we also have the starting of a 5th pizza, but we're only talking about 3 of the pieces. So this tells us 4, okay? And if each one has 5 parts, this is 5, 10, 15, 20 slices, plus 3 more, 21, 22, 23. So we have 23 slices. That's why we multiply and add. Good. What did you do about this one? Okay, you ripped off the top, put it in a box, and the 3 is the divisor. How many times does 3 go into 7? Twice. 2 times 3 is 6. There's the 1. Stop. What's the final number? Which one? The 1, 2, or 3 is the whole number? Show me with your fingers. Which one? Yeah, the 2. So this is equal to 2, and then the remainder goes on top, and here's the 3rd. Let's review because you have a party coming up, and we have to make sure you're ready for it. Okay, I'm going to put the problem up. I'm going to give you a little bit of time to work on it, and then we'll compare answers. I'll line them up so it's easy for you. Ready, set, go. Okay, what are you going to do first? I want to add these 2 numbers together. That's a 1. Okay, you're copying this down on your paper, and then you're telling me the answer. Okay, and if you get stuck, just stop and know that I'm going to come around and do it with you as well. Okay, I'm going to give you a 30-second head start. Go ahead. Okay, if you're still working, please work. Just ignore me for a second. If you're stuck and you need help, okay, first thing, we need to look at the denominators of both fractions. We see that they do not match. 3 is not the same as 5. So we're going to multiply this by a clever form of 1, which is top and bottom of the other denominator. Multiply this by a clever form of 1, which is top and bottom of this one. Okay? Multiplying fractions is the very first thing we really ever did in fractions. So 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, I'm going to stop there. Does that get some of you unstuck? Okay, I'll give you another 20-second head start. Okay. Okay, just break it down. If it's throwing you because there's a whole number, just put your hand over the whole number and do this. We spend a lot of time just adding fractions with different denominators. Oh, okay. If you're done, go ahead and show me or look at the camera or show the camera the work that you did so I can see that you're done. Beautiful. Hey, that looks fantastic. Good job, guys. Good job. Excellent. JJ, that looks great. Elle, that looks wonderful. Okay. Is it Isla or Isla? That's perfect. Love it. Isla. Okay. Like eyeball. Got it. Great, great. Okay. So let's continue with our conversation. So we scaled up the 3/5. We scaled up the 2/3. Now we have, I didn't bring the whole numbers. They're still here. 9 plus 10 is, everyone say, uh-oh. 19 over, and we don't add the denominators because that wouldn't make any sense. That's just the number of divisions, okay? This is actually the number of slices of pizza on the top. So we have 19 over 15. Now, if a pizza holds 15 and you have 19 slices, yeah, you've already got 1, right? So I'm going to break this up. 19 is 15 plus, how many more? 4, right? 15 plus 4 is 19. Good. So look what I can do. I can break it into 2 fractions. 19 is, if I add these 2 together, you agree that we get 19? Good. This becomes a 1. We add that to the whole numbers here. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9. So my answer is 9 and 4/15. That's a 9. Give me a smile if this makes sense. Good. All right, got some smiles. Okay, that's good. A couple of you looking worried. Okay, let's try another one. Good, good, good. How about this one? 5 minus 1 3/4. Give you a 30-second head start. Go, go, go.
Beautiful, modern surveys built.
Somebody's asking for the fraction part of the 5. Nope, it's just 5. I have 5 pizzas, and you ate 1 3/4 pizza. Okay. Everyone say, uh-oh. Okay. Dakota, check your fraction on that one. Okay, JJ, I want you to check something on that. I'm the only one who's got it right. Actually, sorry about that, JJ. Got it right. Highs whole numbers. Okay, so obviously you can't take 3/4 from nothing. Everyone agrees about that, right? So I'm going to borrow from here, and then I'm going to use this denominator to make it easy, right? Because 1 could be anything. It could be 3/3, a million over a million. This is going to be 4/4, so I can easily subtract. Okay, everyone good with this part? Okay, so I took the 1 over here. It's now part of the fraction. 4/4 plus this 4.